And we are in a submarine. They're letting us futz around with the controls. They said, just don't press the red button. Why not the red button, I ask? They said, don't press the red button. Daisy, are these working?
No, look
at this. Just kidding, kids, just kidding. Oh, but it is crowded in here. All right, guy, move on, move on. Can you imagine you're stuck under the mime in this guy? Ah, this is the periscope room. Amazing. Can you get up to it, the guy? In it, put your hand on backwards. Guy, put your hand on here. And then you could see.
Oh my God.
This is really cool.